More than 70% of land in New South Wales is privately owned, and that means that landholders can have a really big impact on koalas, other wildlife and their habitat. So the New South Wales Koala Strategy has partnered with Wingecarribee Shire Council to support the community and private landholders to protect and restore koala habitat on their land. The Southern Highlands is home to more than 3,000 koalas, and they're spread across 2 populations.
The property is about 100 acres and it's mostly remnant bush. We've got about 20 acres that is cleared, and when we arrived here, you know, it's all a process of learning what is here. We realised that there was a group of koalas in and around this area, but as you go along you realise there are so many things that call this their home. We have done some additional plantings primarily around the edges of the paddock to provide some food for the black glossies. There are so many knowledgeable people in all sorts of various aspects of government and local groups that can really give you a lot of help of what you should be planting, what you should be taking out, what kind of wildlife is there. So don't hesitate to reach out.
About 10 years ago, we decided to become very passionate about preserving some parts of our property. The area that I'm standing in was the first place that we thought of because it's actually remnant forest. The cattle had been allowed to wander in through the trees and drink from the stream. As soon as we locked up this area by putting in a perimeter fence, we noticed straight away ground covers and small plants just started to spring out of the ground, and it was like nature was responding. So there was actually quite a good thought process behind which areas we were going to lock up, and we're quite proud that we've actually now excluded cattle from 20 acres out of our 100 acres on our property. We have beautiful pasture here, and we believe that the same size herd that we started with, which is about 20 adult animals, we believe that we can still sustain that same herd of cattle, and that's because we're continuously improving our pasture.
So landholders can do lots of different things to protect koalas. They can protect the bushland that they already have on their property. They can create new habitat, and that can be as small as planting a few paddock trees, controlling weeds, and also fencing livestock out of existing bushland or habitat areas.
Getting some advice on what to do on your property for restoring koala habitat is really important. There's lots of different organisations and groups and people that you can ask that may be relevant in your area. So there's Land for Wildlife, your local council, local environment groups, local land services, and they've got lots of information to help you restore koala habitat.